Oh, money. Namaste. So, last class we have learned up to Misha Jati Koda. Huh? So, one more Jati is left, which is that Sankirna Jati. Very good. So, one more Koda we will learn in Sankirna Jatis. Okay? Today we will do one thing. You sit down. I will explain you the construction of Sankirna Jati. Then Periyadu, what is Periyadu? I will explain you first all these things. Then we will start with. Okay? See, now you have to do Sankirna Jati. So it is Takkadimi, Takkadimi, Takkadimi. So this is the middle speed or Madhyalaya, we can say. Huh? In which the song is also going in Madhyalaya. This is the lay of your song. So that is Madhyalaya. So in that only our Sankirna will go. Takkadimi, 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 takkadimi. But in this Madhyalaya, keeping the bass, we are shifting the lay in first, that is Vilambit. We are shifting the lay in third, that is Druta, to get the variation of that speed. The song is in Madhyalaya, Chatusra Jati. We will use Sankirna in Vilambit, Madhyalaya and Druta. So there will be the variation. So Takkadimi, this I am doing in Vilambit. Takkadimi, Takkadimi, takkadimi. Instead of that, I did Takkadimi, takkadimi. Because my beats are 9 only. I am using first and second speed. Takkadimi, takkadimi, takkadimi. Understood? Now for the next speed, I will use Takkadimi in next double speed, Madhyalaya, and I will use Takkadimi in first speed. So it should start from this speed. We have finished up to first speed. So Takkadimi, takkadimi, takka, takkita, takkadimi, takkadimi, takka, takkita. First 9 and these 9 it came to here, 18. So now I will again come back to Madhyalaya. Takkadimi, 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 takkadimi. This comes Takkadimi, 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 takkadimi twice. And then I will add Devana to it. That also goes in Sankirna. Takkadimi, takkadimi. That is Didritai, Sidritai, takkadimi. Okay, so Takkadimi, takkadimi. I haven't taught you riddles yet. I am just explaining you how the counting goes. Huh? So Takkadimi, takkadimi, diditai, diditai, tai, 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 tai. We'll do all the counting again, so it will be clear in your mind. Okay? Tak, ka, dim, mi, tak, tak, ki, tak, 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 ka, dim, mi, tak, tak, ki, tak, tak, ki, tak, dim, mi, tak, dim, mi, tak, ki, tak, dim, mi, tak, dim, mi, tak, ki, tak. Tak demi tak ki tak demi tak ki tak demi diditai 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 tai 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 diditai diditai tai 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 diditai 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 tai 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 diditai. Understood? Clear? Now you explain it once. So I will come to know how much you have understood. Just the jati. We haven't learned adults yet. Yes. Second speed. Madhyam. Correct.
And Khanda again in
Vilamati. It will start from here. Correct.
Then
Your Madhya lay will continue. No, पूरा संकीर्णम in खंड लय. मध्य लय. Sankirtan, yes. Now you cannot lift it from, get it from in between. You just say diditai, diditai. One karvai of one. Understood? Now sitting only, we will see the adagus. Huh? This comes in your metta. Tak, ka, dim, mi. Then takka, takkitta, takka, takkitta. This comes in shikhara. Here you have to do all the jatis, tattimiti, with this hand. This whole thing you have to repeat for the left side also. Yes. Takka, takki. Then again this will come in tattimiti. Takka, dimmi, takka, dimmi. You will go right side, diagonally back. Takka, dimmi, takka, dimmi. And this will be in your takka, takki, ta. Which order it will be? Tai, ya, tai, hi, i. Which order it is? Circular. So, takka, takki, ta, takka, dimmi, takka, takki, ta. Understood? So, we have used metta. Di, mi, takka, kitta, takka, takkitta. Jati adagu. Ki, ta. Now we are using circle adagu. No, not circle, utplavana adagu. So it will be takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta. Takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka. Correct, same way. Dhimmi, takka, takkitta. Again in Utplavana only takkadhimmi. Jump. Yes, you have to jump. Takkadhimmi tiditai tiditai. Takkar takkitta. So takkar takkitta in between. Takkar takkitta. One ta you will leave and takkar takkitta. And then the Arudhi comes, Tirmanam comes. Tiditai tiditai tai 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 tiditai. One tiditai tiditai tai 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 tiditai. One tiditai tiditai. That one will be covered everywhere. Huh? Now you get up and do this over your Sankirtana. You have understood? If you go wrong, we will stop in between and do it. 1, 2, 3. I will say Adavus only. Adavus shoulder. Tak, ka. It is tak, ka, dhin, mi. Tak, ka, dhin, mi. But you did sideways, you just have to do it diagonal. Tak, ka on the place, mi. Fail. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tak, ka, dhin, mi. Tak, ka, tak, kitta. Tak, ka, tak, kitta. Left side, ka, dhin, mi. Tak, ka, tak, kitta. Tak, ka, tak, kitta. Understood? Now, Jati Adavu or Takkimetti Adavu to the left, right diagonal. Takkadhimmi, takkadhim, tai, ya, circle. Yes. Tai, ya, tai, he, takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi, tai, ya, tai, he, same takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi, tai, ya, tai, he, Okay, now you have to do Utplavana Adavu with Shikharahasta. Takkadhim on the place. Takkadhimmi, jump. You have to jump on right and stretch your left back. Takkadhimmi, takkad, takkitta. Takkadhimmi, takkad, takkitta. Jump again. Takkadhimmi. Takka, lift your left leg. Dhimmi, diditai, takka, takkita. Understood? Do again this much. Then we will move on to Tirmana. 1, 2, 3, 4. Takka, dhimmi, takka, kitta, takka, kitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, kitta, takka, kitta, takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi, takka, takkita, takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi, takka, takkita, takkadhimmi, takka, takkita, takkadhimmi, takka, takkita, takkadhimmi, takka, takkita, takkadhimmi. Now there is Tirmana. Tai, diditai, tai, 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 diditai. 3 times. But you have to leave one kavai in between. This everything will be around. 1, 2. Diditai, diditai, tai, 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 diditai. 1, diditai, diditai, tai, tai, diditai. 1, diditai, diditai, tai, 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 diditai. Understood? Just say the Adavus once. Put in tal, adital, and then I will sing and you will dance. Okay? It is you have to say Takkadhimmi only. Or you can say tai, 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 tat, tai, tai, this tai, 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 tat, tai, tai, this tai, 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 tat, tai, tai, this tai, takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi, tai, ya, tai, he, takatini, takatini, tai, ya, tai, he, tai, 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 tat, tai, 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 dit, tai, 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 dit, tai, dit, tai, 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 tai. Correct. Understood? Now try to do with the song. Then the process will complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tano tana tadirana nadita nito tadirana nadita no tana tadirana nadita nito tadirana nadita no tana tadirana Now here you have to do takkar, takkitta, you leave. Takkar, takkitta, and going back will be takkadimi, takkar, takkitta, 3 times. And in the A, instead of takka takkitta, you will do tai tai, tai didi. Tano, tana, tadirana, nadita, nito, tadirana, nadita. Understood? Want to do the full chorus once again? Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tano tana tadirana nadita nito tadirana nadita tana tadirana nadita nito tadirana nadita no 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 tana tadirana. Okay, now come in front again. We have finished all chorus, that is Panchajati, 5 chorus in Telugu. So the next comes is Periya. Periya is to cover the space. So for that we use the adults also of Periya. That is Satai Taitat, Tuttai Taitat. Then we use another adadu that is from circle where we can cover the space more. Such adabus we use in Periya. Huh? So you know all this all we have taken from the adabus only. There is no any intricate or special different shape than adabu. Huh? So I'll just explain you how it should be. It is ta tai tai tat tai tai tat ta tai tai tat tai tai tat. Once I will go from right to left to right, sorry, using my right hand and right feet. Then I'll again with the semicircle I'll come back to left side. Okay, this is the first line I have done. Then I have to use the circle. Yes. Then tai ya tai hi. Hands will be ta tai tai tat tai tai tat ta tai tai tat tai tai tat. Full ta tai tai tat I will use for that. 2 times. 2 times to the right, 2 times to the left. Ta tai tai tat tai tai tat ta tai tai tat tai left. Ta tai tai tat tai tai tat ta tai tai tat tai tai tat. Okay. Then first circle. As you are here, you will go back in the diagonal line. Taiya taihi, taiya taihi, taiya taihi, taiya taihi. Now you are back. So with left circle adavu second pattern you will do taiya taihi, taiya taihi, taiya taihi, taiya taihi 4 times. Okay. Then just on the place taihi, 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 taihi. From left to right you will turn and come back to the center in 8 taihi taihi. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta tai tai tat tit tai tai tat ta tai tai tat tit tai tai tat ta tai tai tat tit tai tai tat ta tai tai tat tit tai tai taiya 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 tai. Now 8 taihi you have to do on the place. As you are facing to left, come from there to right diagonal and then again in the center.
But same hands or
No, you have to change your hand and feet also right feet. Taihi, 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 taihi. Come back, taihi. Understood? Then tai tai didi tai tam, tai tai didi tai tam. This tai tai didi tai you have to do little bit diagonally. Tai 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 didi tai tam. You bend your left leg and lift up your right at the behind. Yes. Hands will be tai tai didi tai tam, tai tai didi tai tam, tai tai didi tai. Tai tai didi tai. Okay? Try only that much. With hands and feet. The left hand will go up. Okay? Yes. And this will be in harmony. Just do the Tirumala. Tai tai didi tai tam, tai tai didi tai tam, tai tai didi tai. Understood? Now try the whole period. अभी हम period पूरा करेंगे एक बार. चलो. Starting from period. 1. एक बार मैं गाना गाऊंगी. Then you start. Tanu tanata dirana nadani konta dirana nadir tanu tanata dirana nadir tanu konta dirana nadir tanu tanata dirana nadir tanu konta dirana nadir tanu tanata dirana nadir tanu konta dirana nadir tanu tanata dirana nadir पीछे जाना है. konta dirana nadir tanu tanata dir. Come front a little bit. Abhi come front. Now you must have noticed till this time we are whatever adavus or patterns we have done everything on the first line, that is called Pallavi. Tanum tanata dirana. We haven't changed this song at all. Till this we are doing on the same song. Ani konta dirana. But now we will change the song, which is called Anupallavi. The first line of the song is called Pallavi. Next line of the song is called Anupallavi. So now you will do adavus on Anupallavi. These adavus are set simply, no complicated adavus, because already song itself has some rhythm. Huh? Now just sit down and listen to the song. Put Aditala and listen to the song. Once I will sing Pallavi, then I will move on to Anupallavi. Huh? Tanu tanata dirana nadir pani tonta dirana nadir nadir ni tom ta dira na tanum tanat dira dira na di ta di din din tanana dira na tanum tanat dira dira na di ta di din din tanana dira na ta di din tanana dira na di ta di dit la kita taka dari kita taka dari kita taka dari kita tanum tan. So many sholas and so many words we are using in Anupallari. Okay. Now try to sing the first line with me. Tanum tanat dira dira na di ta di. Correct. Din din tanana dira na whole line together. Again you will sing, because this line we are singing 2 times. Sing twice. One second. Okay, now again the song will change. Tadim dim tanana dirana dim tadim. Tadim dim tanana dirana dim tadim. Correct. Dit la kita taka dar kita taka dar kita taka dar kita. Kita taka dar kita taka dar kita taka dar kita.
Dit la kita taka dar kita taka dar kita.
Correct. Hold together, I will sing. Tadim dim tanana dirana dim tadim. Dit la kita taka dar kita taka dar kita taka dar kita.
Tadim dim tanana dirana dim tadim. Dit la kita taka dar kita taka dar kita kita.
Yes. Once again the whole thing I will sing and you try to repeat. Tanum tanat dira dira na dim tadim. Dim dim tanana dira na tanum tanat dira dira na dim tadim. Dim dim tanana dira na tadim dim tanana dira na dim tadim. Dit la kita taka dar kita taka dar kita taka dar kita tanum tanat dira na nadir ni tom ta dira na nadir. Strike. No, this first line you will sing 2 times. Again. Tadim dim tanana tanum tanat dira na nadir ni tom ta dira na nadir tanum ta. Now as I said earlier, in this we will use very simple adabus, but this learning we will see in the next class. and in next class you will get your notebook. We have to write all this, because after this there comes Sahitya. Sahitya means the lyric in which there is a praise of Devi. The author have praised Devi, Lord Bhagavati. So we have to write the words, we have to take the meaning for that, and there will be a last piece called Charanaswara, in which there is a combination of sholus and swaras together, and on that we perform adabus. That will be the end of our Tayar. So there is different lines we have to write. So get the notebook next time and come. Okay? We will write next time first all this and then we will learn. You understood the Anupallavi song just now? You will revise and come. You want to revise it once again? Singing? Try. Tanum tanata dira dira na din ta di din din tanana dira na ta din din tanana dira na din ta din dit lam kita tak dar kita dar kita tanum tanata dira na de ni om ta dira na. Understood? Take namaskar.